Hello guys, today we have the Lykus Lanyard neck strap leash for the DJI RC, RC2, RC Pro, and RC Plus. As we're unboxing this, I'm going to tell you a couple key items of this lanyards. They come in two colors, the orange and the black one. They're made out of denim and microfiber. This is the denim part right here, and this is the microfiber. They're very nice straps. This is the orange one right here. Let's go ahead and unbox the other color. And this is the black one right here. I have here the DJI RC remote. You're gonna find this screws right there. And you're gonna simply just screw the lanyards in. Put them just enough. Now this lanyard, it's adjustable to any size. Whether you're short or you're tall, you can actually just adjust them. If you can see right here, the connection of the remote and the screw are very tight, and this is because of the plastic that's in the middle that creates a very tight connection, so no vibrations or nothing can actually unscrew this off. Okay, you don't have to screw them super tight, to feel that strong connection. This won't actually fall off because once it closes, you have to actually apply, a bit pressure to open them. Okay, so this will secure right there, and I feel very, very safe to use this around my neck while I have my remote. This will also fit any of the Lykus cases for the DJI Mavic Air and mini drones. This is a very good option for your RC remotes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.